Bean, you ready to make dinner? Is that a yeah? Alright, so first thing to make this pesto pasta is you want to cut and wash the zucchini, cut the ends off, and then put it in your zoodler. I highly recommend getting one of these. They're amazing and it makes making zoodles so much easier. It will be linked down below in the bio. Then you want to put some salt on it and let it rest for about half an hour. This is going to drain or pull the water out of it and make it so that it holds up when you cook it. Then I washed off the basil, and this is a salad spinner that I'm using to dry off the basil. This is amazing. I will also include a link down below, but I highly recommend one of these. Not necessary, but it definitely makes your life a whole lot easier. Then I removed the leaves from the stem and put them in the food processor. You want to blend this up just a little bit, and then you're going to add your olive oil, which you just need a little dash, just kind of eyeball it, then some lemon juice, some minced garlic, and lastly you're going to be adding some Parmesan cheese. None of these are exact measurements, but I will have as close to an exact measurement as I can linked down below in my blog. I'll have the recipe down there and each step listed out. You also want to add a little bit of salt for taste. The Parmesan makes a great addition to this pesto because it will melt when you're cooking and kind of give it that nice gooey texture that you love with pasta. So now you're going to drain out the zoodles, and you can do this by just kind of pressing them together, trying to get all that moisture out. This is what's going to make your zucchini hold up. It kind of feels like you're mushing it together, but trust me, you're not. We added some chicken to ours because I wanted to add a little bit of protein to this dinner, and I thought it added a lot of flavor. We didn't add much salt when we were cooking, but then you can just add the zucchini with a little bit of olive oil in there already, and you kind of want to let it fry on its sides a little bit before you flip it, and just kind of let it get a nice golden brown. Then we added the pesto and just mixed it in, and after it is all thoroughly mixed and nice and gooey, you can serve it up, and it's quite delicious. I hope you guys try this recipe. If you do, please let me know. Alright guys, so we are done making our pesto pasta, or pesto zoodles with chicken. This is really good. I keep eating it. And the noodles are really crunchy too. Like, they taste how you would want a zoodle to taste. They are not mushy. I think the biggest pointer for non-mushy zoodles is to add that salt and let it sit for 30 minutes and then wring it out pretty good. You can use a cheesecloth too, we just didn't have any. But then just frying it up is really good. So that is all I have for you guys today. I will link all the products down below. They are affiliate links, so if you purchase them, I get a small commission, but it's at no extra charge to you, and it only helps me make more videos. But I will also include the full recipe to this pesto down below. Thank you guys so much for watching. Subscribe and like this video if you haven't already. Bye.